are you going? Sell what?
Vegetables.
At where?
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market. And Simba's coming.
Yeah.
He's gonna have fun there.
Yeah, with this dog. Last time I
Simba, you're being so good. Yeah?
He likes car rides.
You're so handsome. You are so handsome.
He doesn't know. He hasn't been here before. That's why he's confused.
Yeah?
Yeah, I put it in your
Yeah, it is. Can you wipe it off?
Alright, give me your eye.
Be careful. Yeah, just take it off. Nope, it's still on there. Got it? Okay. What are you doing? Are you eating?
Eating eggplant, eating my,
And
and drinking
drinking
my
the smoothie?
smoothie. And strawberry. It has strawberries in it.
Are you having fun at the farmer's market?
Yeah, make money. Yeah.
Simba. Hey. Nene? Nene.
Hey.
There are your vegetables.
And I don't know why this is red.
Some flowers.
I don't know why this is red.
They probably marinate the meat before they put it in.
It's red. I only like the regular one.
That's so good. Simba, so well behaved. My Simba, you are so well behaved today.
And he's not eating still.
You?
Oh man, the farmer's market and Simba is here. Right here. He is definitely tired because he woke him up too early. And that's my mom. Okay, hold on.
have more stuff.
Let me show. My mom is right there. Right there. And I am going to be selling stuff, and then we're going to do something, but I don't know. So